Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send Word documents to WhatsApp. Alright, let's begin. First, open WhatsApp on your device. These steps work the same on both mobile and computer. After opening the app, go to the chat where you need to send your Word document. Inside the chat, tap the pin icon located beside the emoji button. When the menu appears, choose the document option. Your file manager will open, allowing you to browse through your folders. Find the Word file you want to send and select it. After selecting it, tap OK to confirm your choice. WhatsApp will show a preview of the document. To complete the process, tap the green arrow icon and the file will be sent instantly. So that's basically how you can send Word documents to WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.